Hi, today we are going to learn in living science respiration. What is respiration? Respiration is a process of taking oxygen, using it for release of energy by oxidation of food and eliminating the waste products. That means carbon dioxide and water. The two main processes of respiration are external respiration or breathing means taking in air rich in oxygen means inhalation, and giving out air rich in carbon dioxide means exhalation. Now second one, internal respiration or cellular respiration means using oxygen to break down food to release energy. Internal respiration occurs in the body cells. Bye bye, see you later. I will meet with next fact in next video.